Alright, good morning. We're getting ready to start pouring, guys. We've got the water truck weighing up the base. Side. We are ready to go. So stay tuned and I'll take you through another day of pouring. I need a bit more here. Once we get to the first expansion, Suki starts treating and work on it. I'll continue with Bram and Ajit. Not bad to me. Forward, forward. So heavy for raking, this is the second one. This line here opened up. So have a look here, it's opened up. See if this mix is ready for some joints. That's the first try that we poured this morning. Might be ready, might not be. Let's see. go. Cut these joints out. Can you get me one string one so we can mark the side of the driveway there, bro? Have the mark that's 1500, and that tells me where my next joint will go. Well, in some places you're gonna have to space them equally because you know the distance it just doesn't work to be every bay 1500, which in this case it works perfect. These joints, that's a control joint. Obviously the concrete, it will eventually crack, so the whole idea is for the concrete to crack in the joint so that way the cracks won't be visible. That's obviously, as we call it, it's a weaker point, so potentially can crack in there. I'll come in a second. Alright, holding tight? Yep. Alright. That's beautiful. Well, that's all you need, only one line. It's too short for another line. Haven't done lines like this for ages. My favorite thing to do. Do you know? In the concrete thing, this is my favorite. This and the hand screeding, I don't know why. It just gives me satisfaction, this. I think it's gonna be storms, you know, so whoever gets something, they'll get. Maybe we won't get anything. Hopefully not. smashing it. I'm just about to groom the last, among the last. It's third truck, I think. And now we only have left is the last one, which the boys are unloading now. So we'll see how it goes.